Seems like with my lighting, I throw strange shadows, making this worker do funny things. I think the structure kind of goes out of shape with the shadows from the lighting. That's why it tries to obstruct the light. Otherwise, you'll have some bad architectural work. We don't want bad architectures. You can see it's already started to lay. There's some eggs in there. Yes. She's at it constructing. I don't know if it's a she or a he, but we shall say take it as a she. She's doing a good job. She's one of the worker wasps that is doing a good job constructing the nest colony to ensure the existence and the survival of the wasp society.